One of the most common causes of injuries this time of the year is ice. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about dealing with the slippery stuff right after this.
Even if you're not a professional woodworker, you want to use the glue the pros use. And 3 out of 4 pro woodworkers trust Titebond as their choice. For building wood furniture or cabinets, to making picture frames or birdhouses, or just general repairs around the house, Titebond has the widest choice of glues to help with whatever project you want to tackle. Titebond, the right glue for your next project. Just ask the pros. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
Every year, thousands of people slip on icy steps, walkways, or drives and wind up bruised and sore or even worse. Even a rough surface can become very slick when water freezes on it. There are a couple approaches to this problem. You can melt the ice after it forms. Sodium chloride or salt is the most popular way to do this, but the melting runoff can kill plants and build up in the soil. You can create traction on top of the ice by covering it with sand or kitty litter to improve your footing or stop the problem before it starts with a de-icing compound. These products are sprayed on the surface you want to protect a few hours before a storm hits. The de-icer prevents ice from bonding with the concrete, brick, or asphalt, and the best news, it's completely biodegradable. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.